Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets blank screen. So to start, open your phone settings. Next, scroll down and go to General. Next, scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Now once you're here, look for Google Sheets app and click on that. Now click Offload app. Click Offload app once more to confirm the action. So this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data. Once Reinstall app appears, click on that, then wait for it to finish. So once this is done, open Google Sheets again and see if that works. Next is to again go to phone settings, then go to Wi-Fi. Now in here, make sure you're connected to a stable connection. You can also turn this off for 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on, then connect to a Wi-Fi, then open Google Sheets again and see if that works. Next is to update Google Sheets. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for Sheets. Then update it to the latest version. So click Update button if it's available, and once updated, open it, then see if that fixed the issue. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.